Welcome to question 3 of SMOPS 2015. So this is a slightly trickier question, so I'll give everyone about 3.5 minutes to try. So just pause this video and really try. It's okay if you get a little bit stuck. We'll help you along the way. Okay, so I hope everyone had the time to try. Let's go through some guiding questions. First, this is a question that can be done by hand, but we know that this as a Math Olympiad question should have a trick. This requires algebra fundamentals. So, just take a smaller section of this entire puzzle, try to figure out what does 101 plus x in brackets multiplied against x plus 89 in brackets equal to. Okay, really think about this. Have you seen this before? And yes, we have seen this before. This is the arrow method. We have seen this quite a few times in algebra. So all of the components on the left hand side, everyone inside the bracket, arrows out to every other person in the right side bracket. Same thing, when we do this, we realize that the answer here is 101 times x, 101 times 89, x times x, x times 89. So if you're very confused as to where all this comes from, let's slowly look through this. All of these blue arrows corresponds to these terms here. All of these green arrows corresponds to these terms here. Okay? So expanding is a very easy thing we can do. Now we need to do one last step, which is to let x be equal to 234 plus 467. Why do we do that? Because we realize that this is repeated multiple times in this question. And so, if we let that become x, our expression can be rewritten as this, which if we arrow out, we should get something like this. And let's start cancelling, okay? 101 times x cancels against negative 101 times x. We do more cancelling, and we only get 101 times 89, and that's just 8989. That is our answer for this question. Quite an interesting one, quite a tricky one, but I hope everyone was able to try it. Let's extend this question, okay? Because doing past paper is really about the application of the concept to newer questions. So in here, we're going to try to evaluate this entire long expression. Just try this and we'll go through this in the next lesson.